Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, where I review the latest and greatest cars in the world. Today, I have a very special treat for you. I'm going to review the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre, the most expensive, luxurious and powerful electric car ever made. This is not just a car, this is a masterpiece of engineering, design and craftsmanship. This is the ultimate expression of luxury and performance. This is the Rolls-Royce Spectre. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is the first electric car from the legendary British brand, and it is also the most exclusive. Only 100 units will be produced, and each one will cost a whopping $450,000. That's right, $500,000 for an electric car. But this is not just any electric car. This is a Rolls-Royce, and that means it has to live up to the highest standards of quality, comfort, and elegance. And let me tell you, the Spectre does not disappoint. The Spectre is based on the Phantom, the flagship model of Rolls-Royce, but it has been completely redesigned and re-engineered to accommodate the electric powertrain and the futuristic features. The Spectre is longer, lower, and wider than the Phantom, and it has a sleek and aerodynamic shape that contrasts with the traditional and imposing presence of the Phantom. The Spectre is a four-door coupe with a sloping roofline and a fastback rear. The front of the car is dominated by the iconic Rolls-Royce grille, which is illuminated by LED lights and surrounded by a chrome frame. The grille also hides the sensors and cameras that enable the advanced driver assistance systems and the autonomous driving mode. The headlights are also LED, and they have a distinctive shape that resembles the eye of a spectre, hence the name of the car. The hood is long and sculpted, and it has a silver ornament that represents the Spirit of Ecstasy, the emblem of Rolls-Royce. The sides of the car are smooth and elegant, and they have chrome accents and door handles that retract when not in use. The wheels are 22 inches in diameter, and they have a unique design that incorporates the RR logo. The rear of the car is equally impressive, with a large and curved window, a spoiler that extends automatically at high speeds, and a pair of LED taillights that form a thin line across the trunk. The trunk also has a chrome strip that bears the name of the car and a hidden charging port that pops out when needed. The interior of the Spectre is where the magic really happens. This is where you can experience the true luxury and sophistication of a Rolls-Royce. The Spectre has 4 seats, and each one is a throne of comfort and style. The seats are made of the finest leather, and they have heating, cooling, massage, and memory functions. The seats also have a starlight headliner, which is a feature that mimics the night sky with thousands of tiny LED lights embedded in the roof. The front seats have a 12-inch touchscreen that displays the infotainment system, which includes navigation, entertainment, climate, and settings. The system can also be controlled by voice, gesture, or a rotary knob on the center console. The rear seats have a 10-inch touchscreen that can be used for the same functions or for watching movies, playing games, or browsing the internet. The rear seats also have a champagne cooler, a crystal decanter, and 2 crystal glasses, as well as a foldable table and a wireless charger. The Spectre has a panoramic sunroof that can be tinted or transparent, and a surround sound system that delivers a superb audio quality. The Spectre also has a digital instrument cluster that shows the speed, battery level, range, and other information. The Spectre has a head-up display that projects the relevant data on the windshield, and a night vision camera that detects pedestrians and animals in the dark. The Spectre also has a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the car and its surroundings, and a parking assistant that can park the car automatically. But the Spectre is not just about luxury and comfort. It is also about performance and power. The Spectre is powered by 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, that produce a combined output of 1,000 horsepower and 1,500 pound-feet of torque. That's more than any other electric car on the market, and even more than some supercars. The Spectre can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 200 mph. The Spectre has a battery pack of 150 Q, which gives it a range of 400 miles on a single charge. The Spectre can be charged in 2 ways: by plugging it into a fast charger that can replenish 80% of the battery in 30 minutes, or by using a wireless charging pad that can charge the car overnight. The Spectre also has a regenerative braking system that recovers some of the energy lost during braking and converts it into electricity. The Spectre has an adaptive air suspension that adjusts the ride height and the stiffness according to the road conditions and the driving mode. The Spectre has 4 driving modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Autonomy. Eco mode optimizes the efficiency and the range of the car. Comfort mode provides a smooth and quiet ride. Sport mode enhances the performance and the handling of the car. And Autonomy mode activates the self-driving feature that allows the car to drive itself without human intervention. The Spectre also has a dynamic stability control system that prevents the car from skidding or losing traction, and a torque vectoring system that distributes the power to the wheels that need it the most. The Spectre is the most amazing car I have ever seen, and I'm sure you agree with me. The Spectre is the epitome of luxury and performance, and the ultimate dream car for any car enthusiast. The Spectre is the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre, the $450,000 ultra-luxury electric car. The Spectre is not just a car, it is a work of art. It is a masterpiece of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. It is the ultimate expression of luxury and performance. It is the Rolls-Royce Spectre, and it is the most expensive, luxurious, and powerful electric car ever made. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the Spectre and what car you want me to review next. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.